My name is Brantley Kendall. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of RoxStart AI Logistics. Most AI companies build in a lab, then go looking for a problem to solve. We did it the other way around. We built this platform inside a live operating logistics business, processing real orders, handling real carriers, serving real customers. Every line of code we wrote had to perform in the real world, not in a test environment. That changes everything about how you build. RoxStart is Agentic AI. That means it doesn't just surface information for a person to act on, it perceives, reasons, decides, and executes, handling the routine work end to end on its own and pulling a person in only for the judgment calls. Not assisted by AI, run by AI, with a human on the loop. The architecture is cloud native. It deploys fast, scales without friction, and updates continuously. And every transaction that runs through it feeds back into the models. The system gets smarter with every load dispatched, every quote generated, every carrier assigned. That feedback loop is the most important thing we built. It's why the platform is measurably sharper today than it was a year ago, and why that advantage compounds with every load that moves through it. And these modules aren't just theoretical. They solve real pain, often the moment it appears. Take RoxStart. This May, the Supreme Court ruled unanimously in Montgomery versus Carib Transport that freight brokers can no longer hide behind federal preemption when they're sued for hiring an unsafe carrier. Overnight, every broker in the country became exposed to state negligence liability for the carriers they choose. The ones who come through it will be the ones who can prove they vetted carefully. Rox Vault captures and preserves that record automatically, turning a legal exposure into a documented, defensible position without adding a single step to anyone's day. What we're building towards is simple. A logistics operator wakes up, opens one dashboard, and sees their entire business, pricing, dispatch, compliance, customer service, financials, running on intelligent automation. Everything routine, handled autonomously. A human on the loop for the decisions that genuinely need human judgment. We're not far from that. The modules are being built in sequence, each one adding a new layer of intelligence to the platform. And the long-term vision is a data flywheel that spans thousands of logistics operators. The more operators on the platform, the smarter the models. The smarter the models, the more value every operator gets. That's network effect and what makes this defensible at scale. I've spent my career building systems that solve hard problems. That is the most important one I've worked on because the problem is real. The market is massive and the proof is already there. We're just getting started.